Here you can see this is save icon. Let's implement this edit link. Let's go to pins.js file. Let's close other tabs. Let's implement the edit path. You need to implement the function, the route actually. So here app.get. Okay, actually we need to specify get and post for this edit, so need to specify using app.route. So link is pins-edit- slash actually colon id. So dot get, when the initial request, the get request, so this get function will be invoked, and the function callback parameter is request response next, and parentheses we need to specify here, and need to find out the pin from this pin id. Let's pin dot find one and need to pass the pin id. Let's copy this from other function and place it here, and need to specify callback function. This query will be operated in MongoDB database, and after finding a pin we'll get a pin result, and the result will be stored in found pin variable. So if we get found pin, then need to pass this pin information in the edit page. Let's render in pin/edit, and need to pass the object, single object pin, and here found pin need to pass. Let's create a edit page. So edit.ejx file we need to create, and here need to specify this. Let's copy this from create and paste same thing in edit, because edit form and create form almost same. Just need to remove few form group from this edit page. We just need to keep title and description, and here we need to specify the value of the title because we are getting from server. So pin dot title, and this pin dot description we will get from server, so need to specify inside text area. So place it inside text area, and this one is desk. Save it, and let's check. If I refresh this page, you can see we are getting. Let's implement the post. After submitting that form, we need to post the information so that we can save. So let's implement the post function of the edit form. Here need to specify the callback function. So post function request response next, and the parentheses need to find out the pin and map all the field information same like as create. Let's copy and paste here. Here we are finding the pin from the MongoDB database, and whatever pin we'll found will redirect the pin with in the details page, and the route is pin/details plus found pin dot underscore id. This is the route of details page. let's map the pin. If yes, if found pin exists, then we need to map and save the pin value. So if request body dot title, if title value we are getting from the form tag after submitting the form, that time we need to map found pin dot title equal request dot body dot title. Let's copy from here and place it here, semicolon, and copy this line and paste it here, and this one is for description desk. So found pin, here we are desk, we are writing. Let's save this found pin dot save. Here we need to write callback function error parentheses if found pin is saved. If we get error, then we need to throw error and need to allow to execute another function. So here, that's why writing. Let's cut this and paste it here so that after saving we can go to the redirect to the details page. Let's submit this edit form. Oh, error, what's the problem? Oh, route path is not okay. Let's slash and refresh again. Let's description wrong. Maybe we map wrong. Oh, here it is desk. Mistake. I'm human, I can make mistake. Okay, edit page. Let's submit this form again. So title and the description, submit. Again error. Oh no. Let's same path, not. Let's see. Okay. Go to pins.js. Oh, this should be redirect. And here we need slash. Now everything is okay. Let's refresh this page and submit this page. Okay.